Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Azhar Easy Learning with Azhar. If you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Also like, comment and share this video.
Hello all my dear students, welcome back to the YouTube channel Azhar. Today I am back with one more video of Engineering Mechanics second semester Assam State Polytechnic and semester examination 2022 which was held today. So out of the 70 marks, there are 25 short questions. I'll be solving all the 25 questions with answers. You will be having the explanation as well. Please go through the video till the end. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and also like, comment and share the video. The first thing, I'll start to part A solution. Let's get started part A. The first question they're asking, the fill in the blank, and the first question is the forces which are having the common lines of actions are called. If the forces are having the common line of action, so co-linear, the force system will be called as co-linear. If they are having the common plane, that will be called co-planar. And if they are having the same point, that means it will be called as concurrent. Okay, concurrent. That is the same point. The first question, it is co-linear. The force system will be called as co-linear since it's having the same line of action. The next question they ask, in the resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta will be equal to, this will be equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. This is the formula of the resultant. Then the next question, they are asking, question number C, the center of gravity of a semicircle is at distance of, if this is your semicircle, this is your base and this is the radius r. So if this is the center of gravity, if this is your center of gravity from here to here, what will be the distance? That is they are asking. They are asking this distance. So this distance d is nothing but it is equal to 4r divided by 3 pi. Okay, this is the distance. So here the answer will be 4r by 3 pi from its base. So from its base measured along the vertical radius r. So this is the answer. Next question they're asking, the efficiency is 100% for machine. See, there is no machine which can have the practically there are no machine which can have the 100% efficiency, but that is only possible for ideal machine. Okay, if a machine is ideal form, then only it can have the 100% efficiency, because you know the efficiency is equal to output by input. Okay, so output is not at equal, never is equal to the input. Only for the ideal machine this is equal, so that is why ideal machine can have 100% efficiency. Next question they are asking, a body of mass 7.5 kg is moving with a velocity of 1.2 meter per second. If a force of 15 Newton is applied on the body, its velocity after 2 seconds is equal to, then they are asking, basically they have given the mass. So mass is your 7.5 kg, and they have given the initial velocity which is equals to 1.2 meter per second, and then next they have applied a force applied is 15 Newton. Okay, then its velocity after applying the force 2 seconds after that, the time they have given 2 seconds, and they are asking for the final velocity v equal to what? See, to find the velocity, final velocity v, you need to find the acceleration. So you know that F equal to ma. From here you can find out A equal to F by m. So here F is given 15 divided by m is 7.5. So this 7.5 will cancel here for 2 times, so that it will be 2. That means A acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Okay. Now you know that v equal to u plus at. From this, using this formula, you can see the initial velocity which was given is 1.2 meter per second. 1.2 meter per second plus acceleration is 2 into time is 2 seconds. Okay. So it will be 1 plus 4, 1.2 plus 4. That will be 5.2 meter per second, because the velocity unit should be meter per second. So the final velocity is nothing but 5.2 meter per second. So the blank is here, we have to fill the blank by 5.2. The unit of moment of force in SI system, moment of force, this is basically force into perpendicular distance. So the unit of force is Newton, and for perpendicular distance it is meter. This is the answer is force, the SI unit, the moment of force SI unit is in Newton meter. The next question they are asking, in a couple, the lines of action of the force are In a couple, the lines of action of the force are parallel. Okay, they are parallel, unlike parallel forces. The next question they are asking, the center of gravity is the point of a body through which this is through which the whole weight of the body acts. Okay, fine. If this is your body, if this is your center of gravity, through the center of gravity, whole weight will act. Okay. বস্তুটো যিমানখিনি ওজন আছে গোটেইখিনি ওজন কাৰ ওপৰত এক্ট কৰি থাকে through the center of gravity. Do not forget. Okay. So this is the weight of the body x. If mgh, the next question, if the mgh is the energy is true in a body of mass m, after lifting it at a height of h from the ground, then the term mgh is here mgh is basically potential energy. Okay, potential energy. The formula of potential energy, P equal to mgh. So the term mgh is here. You have to fill in the blank. You have to write potential. Okay, potential. Here it is, energy is already there, so you have to just write the potential. Okay, I've just written here the formula. Okay, the next question they are asking, the power of an engine which can do a work of 1200 joule in 8 seconds. See, what is power? Power is nothing but rate of doing work. So P equal to W by T. So they have given you the 1200 joule, that means the work done is 1200 joule upon which is done for 8 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds. If you divide it, you will find out 8 will divide here 15 times, and this 0 will get cancelled here. So 150 watt. Why watt? Because the unit of power is watt. So here the answer will be 150 watt. Next, the next question 2, write whether the following are true or false. We have to find it out. The vector method for the resultant force is also called polygonal law of forces. This is true. Okay, because the resultant force, a vector method for the resultant force has another name, that is called polygonal law of forces. This is true. The next question they are asking, the unit of work done is joule. This is also true. Work done unit is joule. We have just calculated it. And the next question they are asking, see, all the body has one and only one center of gravity. This is also true, because center of gravity is always one in a single body. One of the characteristics of the couple is that it can cause a body to move in the direction of a greater force. This is false. You know why? Because in a couple, the magnitude equal and the direction are opposite. So since the magnitude are equal here, so there is no mention of greater force. Since the magnitude are equal for both the forces, then how can one have the greater force? You might have got the concept that it is wrong. Greater force, there is no greater force. Both the forces are equal, but they are combined. Okay. Next question, the next question they are asking, the force of friction always acts opposite to the direction of the motion. This is true. Why? Because the force of friction is always acting opposite to the direction of motion. That is true. Whatever the direction of the motion, and the force of friction will be just opposite to that. Okay. So next, question number 3, the choose the correct answer. Here the blank space we have to fill up. The Lami's theorem is applicable only for, see, the Lami's theorem, this is applicable for concurrent and coplanar. It should be coplanar and concurrent. Okay, so you have to write it fast. So coplanar and concurrent. This is the condition. It should be coplanar and concurrent. The next question they are asking, the center of gravity of an equilateral triangle with its side A is from any of the 3 sides. If this is your equilateral triangle, that means all the sides are equal and the side is A. So if this is the center of gravity, okay, so this is the center of gravity. Now we have to find out the distance from here to here from all the sides. This is nothing but A by 2 into root 3. Okay, this distance is equal to A by 2 into root 3. So here it will be filled up by A by 2 into root 3. Okay, it will be filled. The next question they are asking, the efficiency of a lifting machine is the ratio of the efficiency of a lifting machine is ratio of mechanical advantage to the velocity ratio. So this is the efficiency. It is the MA divided by VR into 100. Okay, 100%. In percentage, if you have to express, you have to multiply it with the 100. The next question they are asking, the first, a person is carrying a bag on his head of the mass having mass 5 kg and the person's covered a distance of 5 meters. The work done is, so this here they are asking actually the work done against the gravity. Okay, they have given only two. The mass, they have given the mass. This is your 5 kg, and they have given the distance. This distance is 5 meter. Okay. See, they are asking if a man, this is a man, he is walking like this, but he is not moving opposite to the gravity. See, this is the direction of gravity. Okay, this is the direction of gravity. So if you have to get the work done in the against the gravity, that means you have to move this side. See, ইয়াতে মানুহটো কি কৰা নাই against the gravity কি কৰা নাই move কৰা নাই যদি against the gravity move কৰে displacement হয় তেতিয়া আমি against the gravity কি পাম work done পাম but ইয়াতে যদি আমি চাও ইয়াতে মানুহজনে যেহেতু work done কি কৰা নাই displacement কৰা নাই against the gravity means মানুহটো ওপৰ ফালে যোৱা নাই so এইটো কেছত আমি চাব লাগিব this distance the displacement will be 0 against the gravity. Against the gravity displacement is what? This means 0 for what? Against the gravity. Against the gravity the displacement 0, then W equal to what? Work done is nothing but W to F force into displacement. So see, against the gravity kotha ama discuss kori ase, so against the gravity this displacement is 0. So whatever the force may be, force to zimane no, the product will be 0. See, the simple answer will be 0 joule. Since our work done against the ki korise gravity ulabo disar work done against the gravity ulabo kolam first ki sabale we have to find out whether the displacement is there or not. Since the displacement against the gravity is 0, so the answer will be 0. Next. Okay, next question. What is the distance of the center of gravity of a cube from every face if the length of each side is 6 meters? See, this is your cube. This is the cube, and this is the face. All these are the face, and this is having 6 meters. Okay, fine. All the sides are 6 meters. So from this face, the center of gravity will lie here at the center. Okay, at the middle, at the middle point. So from this side, from this side, from this side, from all the side, it will be at 3 meters, right? Because from the face it will be 3 meters. Since it is 6 meters, the distance, the total side length is 6 meters. So at the half distance from this face, you can find out the center of gravity. So the answer will be 3 meters at the half distance. Okay. Okay. The next question, they're asking the short question. Answer in one sentence. What are the vector quantities? So vector quantities are basically the quantities which are having both direction as well as the magnitude. That means they are having the magnitude as well as the direction. So the first question is gone. The second one, they are asking define the resultant force. See, resultant force is what? If there might be 3 or 4 or number of forces acting on a point. If you can replace all the forces with a single force, যদি আমি ইমান কেটা ফোর্স ইউজ নকৰো কেটা সিঙ্গল ফোর্স এটা যদি ইউজ করি গোটে কেটা ফোর্সক আমি কি কৰি দিব পাৰো ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট কৰি দিব পাৰো that single force will be called as resultant force. So I have given in the definition here, single force which produces same effect as produced by all the given forces acting on a body. Eta body আমি যিমানখিনি ফোর্স আমাৰ কি হৈছে দি এক্ট কৰি আছে গোটে কেটা ফোর্সক যদি আমি এটা সিঙ্গল ফোর্স ৰিপ্লেস কৰিব পাৰো that single force will be called as resultant. So resultant will be called ki compound that single force which can replace all other forces in acting on a body. So that is equal. So that is the resultant force. Define law of motion. Law of motion is basically related to the effort applied to the load lifted. Okay. So this P equal to mw plus c. So P is effort applied here. Then m is the constant. This m is nothing but the coefficient of friction. This is basically mu. Okay. Then W is the weight load lifted. Okay. W is the load lifted, and this C is also the constant. This is the machine friction. Okay. This is called machine friction. So this relation is called law of machine. Formula for law of machine. The next question, define the coefficient of friction. So basically, what is coefficient of friction? Coefficient of friction is basically a ratio of frictional force to the normal force. This is the ratio of frictional force to the normal force. What do you mean by work done? Work done is nothing but it is the product of force into displacement. Okay, it is the product of force into displacement. The unit of work done is joule. So till this question, I have completed all the 25 questions. And for part A, for part B, there are questions. Here you can solve all the part B questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll try to upload the part B videos as well. And for that, you have the question paper in PDF format. You can download the paper from the description box itself. I'll be uploading the, I'll be putting the description link in the description box. For that, please do not forget to like the video if you and also please share and subscribe to the channel, and for this kind of video you can just you have all these Polytechnic entrance related or Polytechnic related videos. You can it will be available here. You can go through the videos, and please please give your feedback, and this will help me and this will inspire me to make such kind of videos ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you all.